Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, How To Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to log in Google Chat on iPhone. Firstly, to do so, make sure you have downloaded the Google Chat app. If you have, then open the Chat app. Once open, you will see that you have automatically logged into your account. However, if you want to log into another account, you may do so by going to the top right corner of your screen, which has your profile in it. Tap on your profile. As you've seen, you've already logged into with one of your accounts. If you want to add another account, click on Add Another Account. Then the app sends a notification saying that it wants to use google.com to sign in. To proceed, tap on Continue. This opens up to the Google Accounts page where you have to log in your credentials. Type in your Gmail. If you've forgotten your email address, you can tap on Forgot Email below the text box. However, if you want to create a new account, tap on Create Account below the Forgot Email link or beside the Next button. Tap on Next to proceed. Then, type in your password. If you want to look at what you're typing, you can tap on Show Password. If you forget your password, you may tap on Forgot Password link beside the Next button. Once you've filled in the correct details, tap on Next. This will successfully log you into the account. If you want to check, you may tap on the top right corner again and see if there are two accounts or not. The one you've just added and the one that Google automatically logged into before. This is how you can easily log into Google Chat on iPhone. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.